Hi, I hope you're having a wonderful day. Dr. Mac here, and I have a box because this is an unboxing video. I'm excited to open this box up. I think I know what's in here, but you never know until you open the box. So let's go ahead and kind of jump in and see what we have. I love this counter, and I have some nice elephant ears and some grass around me. This is a garden that I work in very often, my family property here in Arkansas. But let's see what's in this box. I enjoy doing unboxing videos, so if you have a product, you want to send it to me, and it's garden related, go ahead, send it to me. I'll take a look at it, and we can talk about it, break it down. Oh, it is exactly what I thought was in this box. Check this out. Bird feeder. And I was hoping to get this a touch of nature is what the box says. Kingsyard. So this is a bird feed from Kingsyard, bird feeder. Open from the bottom. I like that it gives you very clear instructions, because I was about to open it from the top. It looks like it's going to be a really beautiful bird feeder. And again, this is from the company Kingsyard. They sent this to me. I appreciate them sending it to me. I've been working in the yard all day long. I have a hummingbird feeder here. Oh, look at this. And I open it from the bottom, and it's one solid piece. I like the branding, Kingsyard right there. Beautiful bird feeder. And this has the cage around it, which makes it harder for squirrels to get to it. But the smaller birds can still get in and feed off the bird feeder. Okay, how do we open it? How do we get into it? Didn't necessarily come with any instructions. I don't know if it necessarily needs any instructions. It's a pretty self-contained. Out of the box, there's a card. Kingsyard limited warranty card. Kingsyard.com. So you get that. And no birds. Yep, just a little card here. Just a little information. Blue jays always nest in evergreen trees. Upon reaching the age of 18 to 21 days, the entire blue jay family will abandon the nest at once. When blue jays migrate, they do it in flocks of 200 to 250 birds at a time. Hummingbirds don't stay with the same partner for a long time. Female blue jays have naked patches on their bellies. Some birds cover themselves in ants to use ant acid to kill the mites and parasites in their feathers. Just some nice little tidbits of information. Nice box, heavy cardboard box there. All right, back to figuring out how to get into this bird feeder. It has to be from the top, so that bottom's not going to come off. I would assume this from the top. I just need to figure out how to do it. It looks like this is a lip here, but let me figure this out. Oh, so that's a solid well there. Is it from the bottom? Solid there, solid there, solid here. The only thing I'm trying to figure out is, how do I get it open to put the bird seed in it? Come on, Mac, figure this out. Let's go. Let's figure this out. It's stumping me, and I don't want to break it. It is so pretty. I know that it has to just be a lever or something that I'm missing, and I'm going to just look on the internet and see if I can find it. I'm going to come back and open this up. Call in the cavalry, had to get some help, but we finally got it figured out how to open it. I knew it would be simple in the end, and I knew it would be too complicated. And it's with the hanger. Let me set this mic down. And all you do, just take this off, right? So this is the hook. And it just comes right up, has that cage around it. It's sturdy, and I didn't want to pull on it and yank on it. It's well built, very well built, very heavy metal. Let's go get some bird seed in this. My mother uses this back porch often, so I really want to hang this kind of close to the house. There's plenty of places to go farther out, but I want to keep it close so she can see the birds and really enjoy them. All right, let's get this hung up right here. And I want to see how it does. It's kind of close to a hummingbird bird feeder, but I think that it's going to be okay. I like this location on the porch. I think this is a really great location. I want to see how it does here. I'm going to tell my mom to tell me, you know, if she sees the birds coming here. If it doesn't work, we can always move it a little bit further out. I also think it's going to last longer. Now, it's heavy duty construction. It is a beautiful thick paint, enameled paint. So I could tell that this is a great condition. It's going to last a really long time. But I also want to protect it. So under this awning, it's going to last even longer. If you're looking for a really good bird feeder, Kingsyard, they produce multiple types. There's this one. I've seen several others that they make as well. Go check out the website, and if you're interested, pick up something. Hey, I hope you like this video. I love unboxing, so if you got something, send it to me. I'll check it out, and I'll unbox it for you. Until next time, take care.